Hey people, Gary here from MyDigi Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using MyLead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about MyLead Gen Secret have multiple accounts, but we're only going to use one because most beginners will only start with just one account before they start trusting the system, so to speak. So I just want to show you the type of results you could get from just doing that, promoting this product. Alright guys, in the simplest way form. And some people might make more than me, some people might make less than me, but this is the general idea, the results you can get from minimal effort, guys. All right, so if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. And essentially it's a funnel builder. It's a very nice funnel builder. It's the first thing here, guys. And the funnel builder is solid. There's no limitations on it, so on and so forth. That's the product. It comes with more stuff too, but that's the product in general, and it's worth it, guys. It's easy to build on. A funnel builder is something that any online marketer needs if they're gonna expand their business in any way, short. And yeah, it's a really good product for only $25. Compare the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels, and it's $97 per month, guys. And if it has a ton of limitations on it, funnels, I mean, if people can see your funnel, just a ton of them, right? And if you want to get rid of those funnels, you need to pay the $300 per month. That is a whole year in this system, guys. A whole year with this funnel. You pay a month, and I used to do that because I thought that's what funnels were running for at the time. But yeah, and the second reason, I think the reason you guys are interested and why I was initially interested in promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business is because of its affiliate system, guys. It is 80% recurring commissions. That is the highest I have ever seen, especially when it comes to recurring commissions, guys. Every single month you get paid 80%. That's insanity, guys. The only thing that I have ever heard that pays that much is OnlyFans, and you know how much them girls make. So I'm just saying, that's the only thing I ever been able to find that even comes close. Everything else is 40% when it comes to legitimately promoting the affiliate system. All right, guys. So those are the two reasons. Now let's look at my results here. We're gonna hit refresh. Oh, by the way, when you see results, guys, don't leave it until the person refreshes the page to show you real results, because it's very easy to change all these numbers around. So let's refresh. It looks like I did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Yeah, I did get a sale yesterday, guys. Finally, I'm getting sales at the beginning of the month. As you know, if you've been around for a while, you'll know that I don't really get sales at the beginning of the month. It's starting to change up a little bit. I'm starting to see some sales come through at the beginning of the month, which is great, guys. And yeah, man, this builds up. These are, if they stay in the system forever, I get paid forever. Think about that. That's crazy. So anyway, guys, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna get to MyLead Gen Secrets here, and we're gonna start on this. We're gonna click on that, get our leads here. Now we're gonna select our next email here. We're gonna go with this one. Load this up. Boom, boom, boom. It's all in there. You know what I mean? That's the email I'm working with today. All right, pretty good email. It's a very long email. And hit perfect timing. Oh, the links, by the way, the link you want to use when you write your email is all-in-one $25 business. The reason why I like promoting it, because it promotes the recurring commissions. That's the $20 and the $100 commission. It promotes both of them, guys. Promotes both of them. Make sure to put that link in there. I know my link's in here. And also make sure you preview your links just in case the link, make sure the links work. guys. I know the links work because I've already done it. So I've already used this email so the links work. And make sure to hit perfect time. Perfect time does show the email around time people check their email. So just select send email and you are done, guys. That's all it takes. Every morning, just do that real quick, knock it out, and then you build up income. Guys, last month, let me show you. Last month I made, let's see. Figure this out. November. Okay. Last month I made $680, guys. To remove these $20 here. See that? I made $680. $680 just doing this simple thing. That's what I'm trying to show you guys. This is working. This works, guys. Just stick to it, man. You'll start building up too, guys. That's all I wanted you to know. All interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.